It's time for breakfast, and we're checking out a very popular spot in Condesa. It's a restaurant that's been around since 2016. It's called Fonda Mayora, and it made quite a splash on the Mexico City restaurant scene, and they're known for their great lunches and their great breakfasts. Because of the coronavirus situation, many restaurants are turning to QR codes to avoid contact with menus, so we use the QR code and we pull up the menu and take a look. The executive chef at Fonda Mayora is Gerardo Vasquez Lugo, and he definitely has a preference for traditional Mexican dishes. Many of these are inspired by his grandmother's kitchens. Good morning, it's David Domine, the Bluegrass Peasant, and we're trying a breakfast spot in Condesa. I'm here with Ramon and our friend Luis Miguel. We start off with some fresh juices and café con leche, and then we order our breakfast items. And Luis Miguel ordered the Huevos rancheros, so one of the most typical Mexican breakfast items. We got 2 fried eggs on a fried tortilla. This has some ham with it and lots of red salsa. And I got the huevos en cazuela, so the eggs in a ceramic casserole. They're poached and served with ham, onions, mushrooms, cream, and melted Oaxaca cheese. And there we've got the Chilaquiles verdes, so the green chilaquiles with scrambled eggs. Looks like some refried beans on the side. Very typical morning food in Mexico. And here we have a huarache. A huarache is the Mexican word for sandal. So it's kind of an elongated, thick piece of corn masa that's griddled and topped with beans, cheese, and cream. I asked for a fried egg on top. Looks like they got it confused, so I got scrambled eggs, but still good. And I'm going to dig into my eggs in a casserole. And everything is delicious. And you notice the plates and the tableware is very colorful. It's a great accent to use to present all this wonderful food. And when the check comes, all of this with the juices and coffees, so 3 breakfast entrees, a little side thing, the total, including tip, was $34. You can't go wrong eating at Fonda Mayora. Got great gourmet breakfast, Mexican classics, good service. You can sit outside. It's a beautiful place. I recommend it.